So for this episode, I would like to talk to my HassyPB in deep detail, mostly focus on how to use or how to operate. User misunderstanding to how to installing films or even the filmizers. So this episode will talk deeply in detail for how to use or how to operations. Actually, my HassyPB was created and designed to use the whole f-stop without any shifting focus. In some f-stops that may need some distance compensation, need a little bit your skill to make your shot f-stop bokeh or your background that you want to complete your creativity. My HassyPB was created and designed to use all the Hasselblad V series models and 2000 or 200 models. This video I will talking about to use or how to operate this HassyPB because some user maybe doesn't familiar or don't know how to use correctly. So this is our taught demonstrations. How to easy to open the back. Just use your finger, your index here. Open, close. The optical surface was laminated by special film, so please do not do anything with the surface. Just can be cleaned by water or lens cleaning. I did film laminated on the opticals. Please leave it here, do nothing. This is a battery chamber, so just slide it open. And the CR2 type. Meter. For overseas shipment, I did not include the battery because of the airline safety, so I have to uninstall. The Instax Square is available at double pack or single pack. Please keep in mind that the ISO 800. How to open is open here. Okay, and then here from here. Yellow mark on here, matching, and then the bottom first. Keep it slightly. Okay, slightly. Okay. This is a film indicator. If there's some yellow mark here, that means there's film available inside. Okay, so not safe to open. This is safe because of black covers to protect. So when the black paper fit out, so have to be carefully. Okay, ejecting the black cover off by pressing this button. I was created and designed the bag for shooting in every f-stop from 22, 16, 11, 8, 5.6, 4 and 2.8 and downwards to f2. Okay, my student, สวัสดีค่ะ Okay, that's live and short. Have to pull off and then have 2 or 3 minutes for focusing, and then after 5 have to put back immediately. Back immediately. You have to press this button. In very strong light, have to put the dark light immediately. Okay, there's some tiny fog in very strong light. Please keep in mind that this is 800 ISO. Supermodel. You're so cool. Nice. Wetting 95 centimeters, f22, 1/500. Okay, looks good. I didn't do anything with the distance, just point and shoot. The actual distance is 2.5 meter, F11, 1/500. Okay. Action distance 2.5 meter, F11, 1/500. Okay, non-shifting focus. Okay, F11, 1.4 meters approximately. Okay, F11 again, and 1/500. I set the ISO to 400. All right. Okay, cool. Thank you, man.
Welcome.
Our changed camera from 2000 models to the 5 series. Okay. Okay, FX about 250. Okay, F8 and are still non-shifting, just the actual focus is about 1.1 meter, 40 centimeter or something. Okay, sweet girl.
Alright.
Wow, okay. It's look cool.
Thanks.
By this, then I have to ask her again. Actual focus 120. All right, 50 millimeter lens. Oh, sorry, 80 millimeter lens, and a compensation for 50 centimeters. So when shot is about for 170. 80 mm lens specification when used the 5.6. Actual focus is 1.3, but I'm shooting. I have to compensate by plus 50 centimeters, so it's about 180. Okay, I'll shot at 180. Pretty cool. F5.6, 50 centimeters distance compensation. Yeah. Okay, I set actual focus is 1.5, compensation for 50 centimeters, so to be 2 meter 5.6 50 80 lens. Better than genuine. Oh no, sorry. Genuine looks better than okay, in scent. F4 is similar to compensations to their 80 lens, the same. Okay, just compensation for 50 centimeter. All right. Actual is 9 centimeters or 90 centimeters. Okay, plus 50 centimeters, so to be 140. So approximately, okay, 140. 1 over 250 F4. Okay, compensation for 50 centimeters. All right. Happy.
ตอนแรกจะมองกล้องแล้วมอง
นั่นแฮปปี้แล้วเหรอ
เผลอ
อ๋อสแกนดิด yeah the same to genuine okay yeah so at 2.8, all right, okay, 50 centimeters compensation, all right, just 80 something, okay, and 50 centimeters is about 1.5, just approximately, even approximately at the 2.8, that's the result. Okay, I think you can enjoy with every app stops for my guideline from F22 until the 2.8. 5.6, 4 and F2.8 you need some distant compensations. It's very nice and still sharp and beautiful backgrounds. Made it. I'm not a businessman, so I'm doing some passion for works and sharing this for all of us. So I want everyone to be enjoying and happy. If any question or any issues, any concerns, okay, just asking from my emails, my WhatsApp, or whatever, so you can connect to each other. Thank you for our best support. We'd like you to enjoy the HassyPB and enjoy shooting and enjoy whatever this. You can take some photos and give to your beloved everyone. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you so much for best supports. Bye.
Bye, thank you